Get ready to welcome the Black Daggers parachute team. Less than a minute away. The team leader is Sergeant First Class Gordy Haworth. Also going to be jumping Sergeant First Class Greg Couch, Staff Sergeant Travis Weathers, Staff Sergeant Alan Brockman, Sergeant Jeff Inman, Sergeant Tony Galusha, and Sergeant Kelly Becker. Kelly is a lady. Ladies and gentlemen, high overhead at 2,300 feet from the United States Navy and Marine Corps' Fat Albert, I give you the Black Daggers parachute team. We've got jumpers away. See how far up they jump? They're way out in front of us, close to a half a mile. These parachutes have an inherent forward airspeed of about 22 miles per hour. They are about 265 to 285 square feet in surface area, and they are literally flying wings. 7 openings in the front has the ram air filling them up and giving it shape. And they steer the same way the Wright brothers steered their first airplane over 100 years ago at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Not with control circuits. Collapse the parachutes. 4 jumpers down. We got more. Quickly getting that chute out of the way so it doesn't drag them.